Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add a Myki to Apple Wallet. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's dive into it. Make sure you are in the Settings app in order to add a Myki to Apple Wallet. Thus, launch the Settings app. To find your wallet, scroll down to this point. Tap on it after you've located it. Now tap the Add Card option that appears here. This debit or credit card and travel card are your options here, so all you need to do is tap the travel card. On this page, there is a search bar, so enter Myki and start searching. You will see that Myki is not available because, regrettably, iOS iPhone users are unable to add Myki cards directly to Apple Wallet. Currently, neither the Apple Wallet app nor the Myki system support this functionality. What you can do is download the Myki official app. The official Myki app can be downloaded from the App Store. You can use this app to check your Myki balance, add money to your card, and maybe even buy new Myki passes, depending on the features available. Although it isn't directly integrated with Apple Wallet for tap-and-go payments, Myki on your iPhone can be easily managed with it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.